This UAV will go closer to the incident scene. This UAV can gather detailed information, including information on the placard, as well as any possible damage to the container.
Whether responding to a hazardous material spill, a hostage situation, or an area that is rendered inaccessible, drone technology will give our cops and their incident commanders an opportunity to see what they are getting into before they go into harm's way. Frankly, for this reason alone, it would be negligent for us not to utilize this technology.
UAV has thermal imaging cameras within the aircraft and can detect heat signatures emitted from a person, allowing us to quickly locate them. Once a subject is located, our second team can fly closer to them to get a visual of their face, helping to identify who they are.
This technology will also give us a complete 360 degree